Yo, what up, guys? Alright, so this is a problem from Mymathsolutions, and I would like you to take the time to follow this page on Instagram. So the problem is find the area of the gray rectangle, and yeah, sometimes you could estimate it, but it's not gonna come out good. You could think it's 14 square centimeters or 18 square centimeters. We don't know. So we're gonna use math to figure it out. So what are we gonna do? We know this is 7 centimeters, 9 centimeters, 20 square centimeters, and 30 square centimeters. Something that I don't know, I give it a letter. Okay, so let's say this, I don't know its length, so I'm gonna give it a length of x. So this is x centimeters. Okay, and because this is 7 and this is x, this must be 7 minus x. Okay, because this whole thing is 7. So I want you to know as well, if this side is x, this must also have the length x. Okay, and because this has the length x and this whole thing is 9, this must mean this must have the length of 9 minus x. So this is 9 minus x. Okay, that's the first steps you're gonna do. So how are we gonna continue? We must find the width, because how do you calculate the area of a rectangle? It's the length times the width, and we have the length, which is 7 minus x, but we don't have the width. So we're gonna use the reverse. So what times 7 minus x is equal to 20? And I'm gonna write it here for you. Is the width would become 20 divided by 7 minus x. And why? Because 20 divided by 7 minus x times 7 minus x is equal to 20. Okay? And we must know from this side as well. If this length is 9 minus x, the width of this must be 30 divided by 9 minus x. And why? Because 30 divided by 9 minus x times 9 minus x is equal to 30. Okay, so what am I going to do now? I want you to notice, because it's a rectangle, this side has the same length as this side, but they're expressed different. Okay, but they have the same length. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do 20 divided by 7 minus x is equal to 30 divided by 9 minus x. And why did I put them together? Because they have the same length, but they're just expressed differently. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is cross multiplication. So this times this and this times this, and make sure you use brackets, and I'm going to show you why. You're going to use 20 times bracket 9 minus x, because they are two terms. That's why you got to use brackets. Is equal to 30 times 7 minus x in bracket. Okay, and now you're going to work the brackets out. So you're going to get 180 minus 20x is equal to 210 minus 30x, and I'm just gonna make it simple for you. If this is a negative 30x, you're gonna send it to the other side. You're gonna get positive 30x minus 20x is equal to 210, and this is a positive 180, so you're gonna send it to the other side. Is negative 180 or minus 180. You're gonna work it out. You're gonna get 10x is equal to 30. So I divide both sides by 10, and I get x is equal to 3. Okay, so now I know my x is 3. So this is 3. And what do? I must fill it in, because how do I find the area? I need the width as well. I have the length already, but I need the width. So I put 3 here, so I'm gonna erase it, and I'll erase this part too. So I'll show you, you have to get the same number. So minus 3, and this one will become 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5, and this one will become 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5. So you see, they are expressed differently, but you get the same answers when you find out your x. So if this is 5, this is 5, that means that this is also 5. These two are also 5. Okay? So your area is 3 times 5 is equal to 15 square centimeters. And that is your answer. Alright? If you have any questions, just leave it down in the comment below. Alright, so peace.